Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that can elevate your automotive diagnostics game, the 2026 LAUNCH Creader Elite V3.0, a bidirectional OBD2 scanner specifically designed for Honda and Acura models. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Creader Elite V3.0? This is a dedicated diagnostic tool that offers full system diagnostics for Honda and Acura vehicles, alongside a comprehensive suite of functions that make it an invaluable asset for both professional mechanics and enthusiastic DIYers. With its advanced features, it's designed to not only read and clear fault codes but also to provide deeper insights into your vehicle's performance. One of the standout features of the Creader Elite V3.0 is its all-in-one bidirectional scanning capability. This tool supports full system diagnostics, which means it covers critical areas such as the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more. In addition to that, it offers complete OBD2 compatibility for all gasoline-powered vehicles manufactured after 1996. This includes essential functions like checking the engine light status, reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing freeze frame data, and even displaying real-time sensor data. What sets this tool apart is its extensive range of free reset services. Whether you need to reset your oil service light, calibrate tire pressure, perform ABS bleeding, or conduct a crankshaft position relearn, the Creader Elite V3.0 has you covered. This feature is particularly beneficial as it streamlines post-repair tasks, saving you both time and money. Another impressive aspect of the Creader Elite V3.0 is its powerful active testing and bidirectional control functions. This enables you to send direct commands to various vehicle systems and components, allowing you to activate or control them for testing purposes. This capability is crucial for precise diagnostics and is especially useful after repairs or replacements, as it supports recalibration and adaptation of parts. Designed exclusively for Honda and Acura models from 1996 to 2026, the Creader Elite V3.0 boasts a user-friendly interface with a 4-inch touchscreen and runs on the Android 5.0 system. It also supports over 12 languages, making it accessible to a broad range of users. For those with older OBD1 models from 1994 to 1996, there's an optional connecting cable available, enhancing the device's versatility. One of the most appealing features of this scanner is the lifetime free Wi-Fi updates. You won't need a PC, just connect your device to Wi-Fi, and you can easily access automatic upgrades to the latest software and features. This ensures that you're always working with the most up-to-date diagnostic capabilities without any subscription fees. So, who is this tool suitable for? The Creader Elite V3.0 is perfect for professional mechanics who need a reliable diagnostic tool for customer vehicles, as well as for car enthusiasts who enjoy maintaining their own cars. It's also a great choice for anyone looking to perform their own repairs and diagnostics without the need to visit a mechanic. In practical terms, whether you're troubleshooting an annoying check engine light, resetting your oil service after an oil change, or calibrating tire pressure sensors after a tire rotation, the Creader Elite V3.0 simplifies these tasks. It can empower you to take control of your vehicle's maintenance and keep it operating smoothly. In conclusion, the LAUNCH Creader Elite V3.0 is a powerful, user-friendly tool that provides comprehensive diagnostics and reset capabilities for Honda and Acura owners. It combines advanced technology with convenience, making it an essential addition to your automotive toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.